Yep. Well, we are back at Knott's Power Sports. And we're going to pick up the Beta. Well, would you look at that? There's our trailer setup. The Kendon single trailer. Beautiful, huh? So here's the service record for from the Beta dealer. You can pause if you want to. It was expensive. Some things I feel I was overcharged for, but I didn't contest it too much. I didn't really hold their hand. So, oh well. But we're back. So here's some pictures from today's ride. This is the day after picking it up. I grabbed a Kendon single trailer, and then Heather bought me a trailer hitch for her car, so we can pull the bike. So now when we go camping on the weekends, the Beta can go with us, and it's just so gorgeous. I'm so happy to have it back. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys.